Hello everyone, this is Asha Best. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are safe, my dear children. Today I welcome you all in class 6 Civics. We are going to start today a new chapter, Panchayati Raj. So let us begin. In this chapter, we'll understand how people elect their representatives at rural level, how they make decisions. We'll also understand that how the meetings takes place at panchayat level, what the members of the panchayat discuss among us the people of the village, and how people participate in electing their representatives. So let us begin. Panchayati Raj system. It is a process through which people participate in their own government. They elect their leaders, they elect their representatives, and through this they participate in the functioning of their own government. The Panchayati Raj system is the first tier or level of democratic government in which the government runs the village at rural level. This is the first tier. As earlier we discussed about the state government as well as the central government in your previous class also. You must have learnt in previous class about the local government also. So here in this chapter we'll understand that how the Panchayati Raj system works. It functions at three levels: Jila, Parishad, Panchayat Samiti and Gram Panchayat. So the Panchayati Raj system, it works at three levels. That first is the Jila Parishad, second Panchayat Samiti, and the third is the Gram Panchayat. About these we will discuss in detail. Panchayati Raj system, the Jila Parishad or district panchayat is the highest level of Panchayati Raj system. It works at the district level and it looks after the functioning of a district. The Panchayat Samiti functions at the block level under the Jila Parishad. Under the Panchayat Samiti, there are many Gram Panchayats that comprises panchas and sarpanches at village level. So when we talk about Panchayat Samiti, okay, at this level there are many Gram Panchayats, means the villages, the village Gram Panchayat comes under the Panchayat Samiti, okay, and this comprise the panchas as well as the sarpanch of a village at village level. Gram Sabha. The Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults, all the people, those who are 18 and above. They meet at a particular place and they discuss the problems faced by villagers at that place. This could be only one village or a few villages depending on the size of the village. Anyone who is 18 years or old and or more and who has the right to vote is a member of the Gram Sabha, as these people participates in the voting of their representatives. Then comes functions of Gram Sabha. What are the functions of Gram Sabha? What are the work done by Gram Sabha? It is the place where all plans for the work of the Gram Panchayat are placed before the people, that what the Gram Panchayat is planning to do for the welfare of the people. This is the place where these representatives present their plan for the people living in the Gram Panchayat. It prevents the panchayat from doing wrong things like misusing money or favoring certain people. So main function of Gram Sabha is that whatever money the government assigns to a particular village for the welfare of the people living in that village, these kind of Gram Sabhas, they just keep an eye on the panchayat members so that they could not use the money for their own benefit. It keeps an eye on the elected representatives and in making them responsible to the persons who elected them. So Gram Sabha is the body that keeps an eye on the representatives, the people, those who got selected by the common people, so that they don't misuse their rights. They only work for the welfare of the people, those who have elected them through the voting. Gram Panchayat, it is the executive wing of the Gram Sabha who works, who makes plans as well as execute them, who makes the plan functional. Every village panchayat is divided into wards, smaller sections, smaller areas. A whole village can be divided into small parts, and all these parts are known as wards. All the members of the Gram Sabha also elect a sarpanch, who is the panchayat president, who is the head of the panchayat. Who elects them? The members of the Gram Sabha only elect the head of the panchayat, that is the panchayat president. The ward panches and the sarpanch form the gram panchayat. So all the ward members and the sarpanch, they together make gram panchayat. The Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. Okay, the term is 5 years. The Gram Panchayat has a secretary who is not an elected person. This is very important, that the secretary of the Gram Panchayat is not at all elected by the people of the village, but he is an appointed member and he gets appointed by the government. The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting. What is the main function or work of the secretary? That he calls for the meeting of the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat and keeping a record of the proceedings. Means whatever has been discussed in the meeting, what points have been put forward by the panches as well as by the local people, what is the plan, everything he he keeps a document about all these things. Then comes functions of Gram Panchayat. The main functions of Gram Panchayat are they construct and maintain water sources. Like in villages, basically we face water scarcity. So to improve, or you can say to remove the problem of water scarcity, they maintain and construct water resources. They also maintain roads, drainage system they maintain. They also build school buildings as well as common property resources they also build and maintain. Levying and collecting local taxes. They also collect local taxes from the people. Executing government schemes related to generating employment in the village. Like they just provide employment to the villagers, those who are seeking work. If they construct something, they make people of the village only to work in that. Okay, so these are the government schemes to provide employment to the people living in village, and this body executes the plan or scheme of the government so that employment can be made available in the village. Sources of funds for the panchayat. Now from where do panchayat gets money to maintain or build all these things? Collection of taxes, as earlier also we discussed, that these people collect taxes like house tax, marketplace tax and all from common people. Government scheme funds received through various departments of the government through the Janpad and Jila Panchayat. So this is also something from where they collect fund. Government provides fund to people so that they can construct or they can maintain all the work which has been done in the village. Donation for community works, etc. They also sometimes get donation for community work from the rich people of the society or from other NGOs. After that, we'll discuss some more important chapters from civics. Till then, I request you all watch this video carefully. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you and keep smiling.